Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the tools needed to change call settings. Turn on developer options so you can use a DB. This avoids routing. Install the Google dialer or your OEM dialer if missing, because the old settings live there. Once done, connect the phone to your PC with USB debugging enabled and confirm a DB recognizes the device. Now run the specific ADB commands or open the dialer flags menu to surface hidden call UI controls. This is the first actionable switch to restore older behavior. You now execute precise commands to restore the legacy call settings. Use a DB shell settings put secure or global with the exact keys for call UI mode, call recording toggle, or incoming call layout. Once each command runs, force stop and relaunch the dialer so changes take effect. Make sure to back up current settings by running settings get for the same keys and saving them to a text file. That way you can revert quickly. If a command errors, check USB debugging and permission prompts on the phone. You finish by verifying that the restored settings persist. Reboot the phone and place test calls to confirm the old incoming and in-call screens show, and that features like recording or legacy audio routing work. If the dialer still shows the modern UI, clear the app data or uninstall updates then reinstall. This forces the app to reload flags. One key troubleshooting tip. Some OEM or carriers lock these settings. If changes fail, confirm the phone firmware and carrier policies before attempting deeper modifications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.